There is the misers. Welcome back. It's Friday, and the last market update for this week is coming into fruition right now. As always, we're covering BTC, ETH, and Solana, and then diving into the what's relevant at this very moment in the markets and seeing what's new in the social radar. Very much happy to do this all over again despite the fact that there is nothing much to cover because the market is sleeping and there is nothing to do about it. You just have to wait until the market shows its face in the next, I believe, few weeks. It's gonna happen. Generally speaking, it's painful, and we're in this uh, position where we do not know whether we're gonna go to all-time highs again, and this is especially true when you see the altcoin markets that has been absolutely bleeding to death. Yesterday, Solana co-founder Anatoly retweeted a meme, and it only did a really small pump, and that's it. So this tells a ton about the market state. No one is believing anyone anymore, and there is absolutely disbelief in this industry. So, with this in mind, you have nothing to do right now. We just need to see where the market is going next, and currently it's going absolutely nowhere. It's just like -5, +5 daily movements, and volumes are down. Like a bear market vibes, if you ask me. But obviously, it's gonna change. But whether it's gonna change to where we want it to go, that remains to be seen. I don't know. I have no clue where the market is going, but I see some bullish signs. I see some bearish signs, but yet I am extremely unaware of this destination. And if you look at BTC again, it's been trading around uh, 3 months now: November, December, January. 3 months in a very specific range, and there is not much going on. BTC dominance held this 61% support, which has been in place for quite a bit of a time now, and that's about to change at some point, but I do not know when. So again, a lot of uncertainties. A lot of people are trying to guess the market, predict when the market is gonna move. The best is not touch on this too much because it's just way too risky to predict the market, because I haven't seen in all my trading years, I haven't seen a person who actually predicts the market perfectly. And obviously there are people who do that, but I am actually not one of them. I wish I had this skill. But yeah, like long term, I can see where we're going, but how we're gonna get there and through which price levels, this is something that I haven't really been able to predict, and I don't have to. Like what all I have to do is to really be patient and not do anything stupid in between. As as it holds, we need to just wait. At least this is my opinion. This is my own personal strategy, and I can only tell you what I am personally doing and how I'm managing my own risk. So yeah, as we're speaking, 90% of the crypto traders are under the water who bought spot. The only winners here are the guys who shorted the market and took profits, or if not, then they're still in the game and expecting even more ridiculous prices. One of the influencers that I'm actually following is he's a guy who comes from a stock market experience, and he is literally shorting everything. Just says that it's gonna go to zero. SPX 69, the meme coin, the top performing meme coin this cycle, this is going to go to zero. Absolutely no one cares. He's betting like $300,000, $400,000 on each of these positions. So this is quite interesting to witness. So it's not long only. There is always someone who's trying to take your long positions and make a bet against them, especially when it comes to large hedge funds and traders with actual size who have hundreds of millions under management, right? So this is something that you also have to keep in mind. It's not always only one direction. It's a lot of traders and a lot of opinions, and the only opinion matters that is yours. And especially if you're making a educated bet and aka betting money on it, right? So, with this being said, I don't want to cover too much the charts because it's just a range bound market. And if you were reading the message, then I am actually expecting now probably like 1 month at least range trading. So up and down, up and down. It's very boring. There's not much going on. It's also a tactic for large institutions to really accumulate their positions and also waste the energy of people around you, of all the retail traders. So yeah, with this in mind, again, let's take a look quickly at the social radar and see what we have here. So we have a bit of positive outlooks coins here. Not I expect that not too many, but also a lot of are not sure. The state of outlook is not sure. Also some negative, and but I see a lot of positive as well. But in this kind of market, I do not believe that there is a like extraordinarily bullish sentiment on any of these coins because we just need to wait, and that's everything that we can do in this very moment. So yeah, you can have the best analytical tools, best trading indicators, best sentiment on socials, and you can have any of that. But ultimately, it does not really matter too much because if no one is coming to save your bags and your positions, and no one is going to buy, then and everyone is fearful at the same time. So this is something that like the market needs a push up. That's my message, and the push up comes from a clean narrative or something that pushes like a strong signal from somewhere, which I personally do not see that there are too many strong catalysts coming besides that Trump can do something for the crypto market to come back to its healthy state. But yeah, this is what I'm thinking personally. And again, I'm not taking any positions as we speak. I gave two positions to look at when it comes to Pippin and Griffin at 33, but this is a spot entry, and Griffin is around break even at 15 cents. So this could run quite a bit. But again, like you need to really manage your expectations. We do not go directly to all-time highs. What we're probably gonna do is we're gonna just accumulate in a 33% price range where we're gonna probably see a long prolonged period of accumulation. I do not see that we're gonna just pump to all-time highs now, even though on Griffin I believe that this can go to all-time highs. But again, like if I'm being honest, I'm talking with developers and they said that Griffin does not really work. But again, you have to give some projects time as well. So it's not like straightforward. So something that might have some flaws. It cannot work perfectly now, but if it's being fixed and the product actually brings value to users and a lot of people are using it, then its valuation will go higher. But again, was so much hype in Griffin around these areas. Everyone is so excited and hyped around it. And then what happened? Binance Futures, bam, done. This token is done, and it's gonna rise again. I believe that it's gonna do, but again, like when and do you want to be wasting your time and locking in capital for this? Not for everyone. That's definitely not for everyone. So yeah, something to keep in mind. But in general, like look, there is some progress on meme coins and on top meme coins and some others, but again, there is nothing significant. And this comes after a very heavy selling pressure yesterday. So we definitely are in a very bearish market conditions, and whenever you are in very market conditions, you really want to you either want to hold and hope for a better future, which might come very quickly, very quickly. It can happen overnight, right? So you have to be ready for this, or positions for this. But if not, then yeah, you can just stay out of the market, and that's it. So yeah. Long story short, I personally I don't do much currently. I'm just waiting for the next move, and will decide on my position after that. Only after that. So just waiting for now. There's nothing much you can do, and yeah, see you soon. I hope you are staying safe and not wasting too much of your energy on random 5 to 10% bumps. So it's a waste of time in crypto. Thank you. See you and